Hey guys, in front of me is OUKITEL RT5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Display, locate Wallpaper, and at first you need to select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from Live Wallpapers, Photos, or Wallpaper and Style album. Let me choose Live Wallpapers. Okay, so we have nothing here. Let's open Wallpaper. Now mark Change Wallpaper and choose photo that you want to apply. Let me choose, for example, this one. And now you can see how it looks on both home and lock screen. And if you still want to apply it, tap on confirmation mark and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Let me apply it on both, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.